Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move folders on Zoho WorkDrive. So first, you may want to head over to workdrive.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on My Folders. Now in this page, you should see all the lists of all your folders. Now look for the specific folder that you would like to move, then click on it. Next is click on the three dot icon, then click on Move To. Now choose the new destination in which you would like to move this folder into. Then once done, head over and click on Move. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!